From Portland, Maine, where they've been blowing and scraping the runways, south to Boston, New York, even the deep south, it was a day of digging out and rebooking.
They told us that maybe we'll fly back on Monday or on Tuesday only. So, yes. A few more days in New York.
Flying from Denver to New York for her grandmother's birthday yesterday, Annie Kaufman didn't even know she'd been diverted to Detroit.
I was asleep the whole time, and so when they said, "Welcome to Detroit," I looked at the woman next to me and I was like, "Detroit?"
By this morning, she'd made it to Boston, where ground crews worked round the clock through cold, heavy wind to clear 13.5 inches of snow from the runways and ramps. Soon, planes were back in the air.
A lot of snow out there. We have really no place to put it. We really pile it into big mountains of snow, and then we melt it.
In New York, LaGuardia, Newark, and JFK all reopened today after many passengers slept on a cold airport floor.
Some people are saying they're probably just going to drive to other states just to get another airport.
Even the bus station in Chicago was packed with stranded passengers.
I'm tired. I'm exhausted. And I have to stay here in the bus stop at Greyhound with my kids.
Frozen stilled houses in Situate.
Back in coastal Massachusetts, the icy aftermath. Boats frozen in harbors, cars encased in ice up to their hoods.
The thing that was crazy was it came on so fast.
Crews now removing mountains of debris after a record-breaking storm surge. And look at this. The airport in Charleston, of all places, buried in 8 inches of snow. With no plows, the runways are still closed.
You know, we live in South Carolina, not South Dakota. We're not accustomed to this kind of weather.
Charleston is hoping the Air Force will have it all cleared by sometime tomorrow as the national air system recovers. So the airlines have some advice if your flight is canceled. You can stand in line for a rebooking. You can call the airline, but they say the best way to do this is get the app on your phone and rebook yourself. That's faster than waiting for the computer to automatically rebook you. Some advice for the next time your flight is canceled. Lester, -10 with the wind chill here in D.C. Back to you.
Lovely. Tom Costello, thank you. Hey, NBC News fans, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking on that button down here and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives. Thanks for watching.